Hi everybody, this is Jenny from By Jenni Designs, and I'm going to show you how to work up the Loopy Scrunchie. For this pattern, you need Bernat velvet yarn, and you're only going to need about 25 yards. You're going to need a hair tie, size K 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, scissors, and a large eye darning needle. And then I have a few worked up here already. These are shown in smoky blue, smoky green, burgundy plum, and vapor gray. And then today I'm going to be using smoky violet. Okay, so let's get started here. First, grab your hair tie. I'm going to use a pink one since I'm working with the light pink yarn. And then I just like to stretch it out a little bit. Okay, now grab your yarn and go ahead and create your slip knot. Insert your hook. And then you're going to be working around the hair tie. So to do this, you're going to put your hook underneath the hair tie, yarn over, and you're going to pull through. We're going to join with a slip stitch, chain 1, and then we're going to work 70 half double crochet around the hair tie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue to work around until you have 70. I'm at 60 half double crochet now, and you're going to notice as you're working that you have to keep pulling to make room to fit the stitches. "61, 62, 68, 69, and 70. Once you've completed your 70, you need to join to the first half double crochet you made with a slip stitch. And this completes row 1. For row 2, and this is your final row, you're going to chain 5, and then you're going to slip stitch into the top of the next stitch. And that's it. You're going to continue to do this all the way around. Chain 5, and then slip stitch into the top of the next stitch. Chain 5, slip stitch into the next stitch. Go ahead and do that all the way around. So I'm just about done here. Just have a couple more chains to do. One more. So when you work this last one, you're going to do your slip stitch in the next stitch, And then you're just going to go ahead and fasten off right from here. Pull that through. And then I like to knot together these two ends before I sew them in. Just go ahead and tie them together twice. Okay, so now grab your darning needle and you're just gonna sew these ends in, and I try to make sure my needle is working above where the hair tie is, because you can feel where the hair tie is in there. So then I just work back and forth 3 times. Go back one more time here. And then you can cut your yarn. And this yarn sheds a tiny bit just where you cut it. So I just go ahead and pick that a little bit. Then you can sew in your other end. Same thing, go back and forth 3 times total. There we go. Go ahead and cut this. And there you have it.